Okay guys, you know what? I am heading home from physical therapy and I thought, you know what? I haven't been in Joann's in a while. Let's check them out. Let's see what they got. So, I think my store is getting ready to switch things out. This is cute. Probably because the Easter is on sale. So, okay you guys. This is a nice little end cap. It looks like things are 50% off. This is a really cute wreath right here. It is, what is that? $59.99. So half off of that, $29. This is really pretty. This is $29.99, but half off. And then they have the plates that kind of match it. Thought I would show you this collection. It's very pretty and bright. Look at these bowls. Those are $39. Right now they have a sale, buy one get one half off for these items. This is their summer decor. These baskets are really cool. That's $42.99. Now I think if you wait till the half off, you know, oh, I like this. You guys know I was gonna like that. That's $39.99. That's cute. I love these warm tones. They're gorgeous. And then I like this pillow. It's $49.99. Yeah, I gotta say I really like this collection. All is fine in the sunshine. That's really cute. I like that. That is $59.99. Now, like I said, oops, these ones are buy one get one half off. I would probably wait till they go on sale. Look at this cool basket. See, that's the thing about coming to Joann's. You guys are gonna find some unique pieces. So, you know, they always. This is really nice too. $49.99. And a lot of these pieces I feel like you could almost use into the fall, like something like this. This is $24 for the smaller one and $29.99 for that one. The price of this larger one was $39.99. But those are really unique and $29.99. But something different, right? Look at this birdhouse. This is pretty. $39.99. But yeah, I love this collection. I love the colors. Of course, they have the nautical. You're gonna find that, you know. And this collection, I think all the summer stuff is on sale. So buy one get one half off. $69.99. You see the blues, the rattan, creams, the whites. Really nice. If you love this blue and you like the seashore look, you know, I think this is beautiful. Look at how cute this is. That is so stinking cute. That's adorable. You know me, anything that's small is adorable to me. had to show this. I think this might have came out with their spring line. You know, I love my bees. And this stuff is 60% off. So that is $12.99. Yes, that's a lot. But their towels are very nice. I will say that. They have these cute little containers. It's like a honey pot, I think. $19.99. They have this. $19.99. The beautiful pillow. $49.99 with 60% off. And of course, they have some ribbon. Okay, as I'm filming this stuff, I think Easter is 60% off, spring is 50 or 60% off. But look at this, you guys. This is so adorable. $59.99, half off, so $30. I'm not gonna lie, some of the prices still are a little too high for me. The prices are still a little too high, but their stuff is quality. It's not cheaply made, you know? This is gorgeous. Look at this, you guys. You hang it up, and you can put all the different flowers in there. That's $9.99, so $50. I really like that. Now, my store looks like they're in the process really of changing, putting more of the summer stuff out. This is all fun, bright stuff. Look at those daisy plates. Those are pretty. They're melamine. $29.99. That's really pretty. I love these little daisy cups. $6.99. And that's part of the buy one, get one half off. And we have some watermelon stuff down here. Look at the watermelon chimes. If you're a watermelon lover, there you go. And I think most of their towels usually are $12.99. Okay, these are really adorable, you guys. They are solar lights. They kind of look like a honeycomb. Okay, this is glass. And it has the Edison bulb. And these are $39.99, but half off. Okay, so $20. Is that glass? No, it's actually like a plastic, but it really feels like glass. And they have the different colors. But how pretty would those be out? Oh, look. Oh my gosh, I love these. These may have to be a purchase for me. For the front yard on a little stake. You can get the stakes from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, really nice. We have this spring collection on the end. I'm obviously coming to the end. This is nice how they did this for my crafty people. $5.99 for the 3 to go together to make you a bow. These are half off. So if you like strawberries, they have other cute little strawberries and daisies. Look at the little mouse. Is that not adorable? That's really cute. So, we got this. This is pretty. $24.99, half off. These remind me of the ones that Target have, so maybe a better deal. I mean, they would still be like $6.50, so half off. Look at the pretty bowls. Yeah. So. Little mouse. That's cute. Alright, it looks like they definitely did a lot of mushrooms. We saw that on that end cap. Look at these mushrooms. Those are $29.99. They're little solar lights. Those are cute. This is a lot of stuff up for outside. Really nice. Yeah, this is greenhouse, garden, and outdoor decor. Is all half off. This is a beautiful picture for all year long. Don't you think? The olive, $29.99, so $15. That's not bad, because those are half off. And I know we all love our birds. So $24.99. This little one, $9.99. And those are half off. Just to kind of give you a little overview. This side is a lot of outdoor decor, I believe. These little, what are these called? Why can I not think of the name? Let's see. I don't think it says. But they're $50.99. These are always really cute to put little sceneries, vignettes, things like that in there. Alright, this is another whole item for stuff outside. This is a nice little chair, so when you're out in the garden, and it's got like pockets, things like that to put your tools in, which is good. Because I know now I can't sit on the ground and like weed. This is $59.99, but half off. I think that's a really nice, seems pretty sturdy. They have plenty of solar lights and unique ones. So if you guys are looking for something different for your homes, and it's something you know you'll keep for a while, why not invest? So these are $30 half off, $15. I think those are really pretty. Then you have these. Let's see how much those are. These ones are $49, so $25 on those. But yeah, like really good selection, I think. I wanted to show you guys these ones. These are really nice for a deck or a patio, and you have something to hang it on, right? And they're solar. So those would be $20 because they're $39.99. Got this beautiful pot holder, planter and stand, $99, so $50. But that's metal, and those are ceramic pots. I thought I would show you some of their. These are plant stands. Okay, this one is $89.99. I want to say these are half off as well. This one, whoops, is $59.99. Now, I know I've seen something like that similar to at Walmart, but they have a couple different ones. These are beautiful when you get those big full pots. That would be $25. Let's see. Then they have a couple over here. Those are 3-tiered that swivel in the black and then the cream. So I came back to this because I had someone in the aisle and I didn't want to interrupt their shopping. Look at this, you guys. He is $34.99. That is adorable. I really like that. I don't know if he's considered Easter or the garden. But look at these little mice. And then of course they have the mushrooms, the little owl. Some really cute bird houses. $29.99 for the bee one. Then they got bird feeders. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at this one. That is so adorable. $29.99. So $15 for that. Got a strawberry. Oh, look at this. That's $29.99. A lot of really pretty stuff. You know what, guys? Even if you just want to get out of the house and you just want to look, that's what I do. This is my therapy. And sometimes it's good just to be out of the house, shopping, not even shopping, just looking, getting ideas, recreating items at the more expensive stores for cheaper. So remember that. Alright, yeah, you guys, I'm on my way home and we got like a little winter wonderland going on. I just wanted to say my goodbyes to you. Make sure you give this a big thumbs up. You guys, this is what's happening April 18th here in Michigan. It's like literally covering the ground, the trees. What the heck is going on? I'm heading back home from so this is going to be the end of my Joann's, but not so, right? Like, insane. Yeah, this is what I got going on. I'm home, and like I said, I just wanted to say my goodbyes. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up on this video. But yeah, welcome spring here in Michigan. I hope you guys have a great day, and hopefully this is not happening where you're at.